Hello guys, Adarsh here and I welcome you guys to the brand new video of Fintech. So today is the second series video of our stock market series and today I am going to discuss about the importance of investing. So before getting into the complex topics of stock market, first we want to understand the basic things of stock market. And the basic thing is the importance of investing. Do you know why you should invest? What is the importance of investing? Why you should take your money and come to stock market? Why you should invest your money in mutual fund? Why you should invest your money in stocks? Why you should start trading? What is the reason? Why you should come here? So you want to know the reason, right? So in this video, I am going to discuss about why you should invest your money. What is the importance of investing? So before getting into the video, there is a disclaimer. I will be sweating when I am taking the classes. Those who watched my previous video can know that clearly. Why? Because I have switched off the fan in the hall because of the sound. It will be nuisance for you guys. So that's why I have switched off the fan. Because of that, there was a lot of heat and also the heat from the light. That's the reason for this sweating. So don't mind that. There's no problem for me. And let's get into the class. So what is the importance of investing? There are only two things you want to study here. There are only two things you want to take into consideration and there are only two things that you want to know here. Only two things. That two things are, the first thing why you should invest is you want to tackle the inflation. If you want to tackle the inflation, you want to invest your money. And the second thing is to create wealth. For creating wealth, you want to invest your money. This is the only two reasons you want to understand here. So I will explain in detail about these two things. First, let me tell you what is inflation. In simple terms, inflation means increasing in the value of goods and services and decreasing in the value of your money. You're decreasing in the value of your money. So this is one of the simple definition and I have taken this definition from my mind, not from Google. Okay. So you can't find this definition from Google. Okay. So let me explain inflation with an example. I named it as grocery example and this boy name is Adarsh. Okay. And he is going to a grocery store for purchasing some goods, some grocery products. So when he goes to the grocery store at 2016, he purchased some grocery products and the bill was around 100 rupees. The bill was 100 rupees. And after 1 year, he goes to the same grocery store for purchasing the same products. So that time the bill was 110 rupees. 110 rupees. And in 2018, he goes to the same grocery store for purchasing the same products. At that time, his bill was 122. Okay. And he repeated that on 2019. He gone to the same grocery store for buying the same products and his bill was 140 rupees. On 2020 also he repeated that his bill was 165 rupees and in 2021 his bill was 190 rupees. So what you can understand from this? It is very simple guys. The price of the goods has increased by year on year, right? At 2016 it was 100 rupees. On 2017 it was 110 rupees, on 2018 it was 122, 2019 140, 2020 165 and 2021 it is 190. So the price has moved like this. It has gone up like a rocket. Therefore we can say that the price of the goods has increased day by day and the value of the money has decreased day by day. In simple terms, I will explain once more. The price of the goods has increased day by day and the value of the money has decreased day by day. Can he buy the same products with this 100 rupees? Do you think so? In 2021 it worth 190 rupees. Can he buy the same products with 100 rupees? No. He can't buy that. So the value of the 100 rupees has depreciated by the time. The value of the 100 rupees has depreciated when it comes to 2021. So therefore we can conclude that inflation means decreasing in the value of the money and increasing in the value of goods and services. Simple. So let me explain this. The inflation rate in India is 5.5%. Why I am written like this? You can get this number from Google. Search the inflation rate in India. You can get around 5.52%. I have written in 5.5%. Okay. So what it means? So let me explain this with an example. Take this guy. His name is Adarsh. Okay. So he gone to the grocery store at 2020 for purchasing some goods, purchasing some products, and the bill was around 100 rupees. Okay. And he gone to the same grocery store at 2020 for purchasing the same products, and the bill was around 105. How much is the increase in price in terms of percentage? It is simple, 5.5%. The 5.5 percentage of 100 is 5.5. So it has increased to 105.5. The growth was around 5.5%. So what it means? So what it means, the price of goods has increased its value in 5.5% in a year. And also we can say that the price of 100 rupees, the price of money, the value of money has depreciated its value by 5.5%. The value of money has depreciated its value by 5.5%. Look at here. He can't buy the same product with 100 rupees, right? In 2021, he want to add extra 5.5 rupees to get the same products. That means the value of 100 rupees has depreciated to 5.5%. I think you are clear with that. That means the value of money also depreciated by 5.5% here. What we can conclude here is that if the inflation rate in India is 5.5%, that means every year the cash in hand is depreciating its value by 5.5%. Every year the money in your hand is depreciating its value by 5.5%. That means if you have 1 lakh rupees, the value of this 1 lakh rupees will comes to 95,000 rupees after 1 year. So what I am speaking is that the products that value 95,000 in the current market will increase its value to 1 lakh rupees after 1 year. The product will gain the value in 5.5% after 1 year, and the money that you have 1 lakh rupee will depreciate its value by 5.5% after 1 year. So sometimes it will be difficult for you and sometimes it will be confusing for you, but leave all the things and think about the previous example that I have mentioned, the grocery example. So as I mentioned in the previous example, the thing is very simple. The price of the goods and services will increase day by day. Due to that, the value of the money in our pocket will depreciate due to the increase in price. That's it. For example, the iPhone is increasing its value by year on year. Can you buy the iPhone with the same price on last year? No. They are launching new models and they are increasing the price. You want to give that price to get the brand new iPhone, right? So because of this inflation, you understand one thing. If you keep your cash in your hand or if you keep your cash in your savings account, it will depreciate its value. You can't get the same 1 lakh rupees after 1 year. You know that. So what you can do? For that, you should invest your money. If you invest in 10% annual return mutual funds, you get 10% capital appreciation. If you invest 1 lakh rupees in that mutual fund, after 1 year, you will get 1 lakh 10,000 rupees, right? So the inflation rate was only 5.5%. This inflation will eat your money. The inflation will eat 5.5% of your capital. So when we decrease the return by inflation rate, we will be balanced with 4.5%. Still we have a positive cash flow and we will be left with positive money. Fixed deposit, it is giving a rate of interest of 5 to 6%. Now 5 to 6%. So what happens if you put your money in fixed deposit? You get a capital appreciation of 5 to 6% after 1 year. But due to the inflation of 5.5%, this 5% will become tally. Minus this 5.5% with this 5%. You are left with 0%. So your money will not appreciate here. Actually, due to the inflation, the capital has decreased. Neither it has grown, neither it has depreciated. It is staying like that. There is no benefits when you are putting your money in FDs. That's why the people who are doing the financial contents and financial teachings and financial advising, they don't prefer you to put your money in FD. Why? Because if you get 5% and due to the inflation, it will become tally. You are left with 0%. Then what is the need? You can make money out of money, right? What you want to do is that you can put your money in stock market, mutual funds, debentures, bonds, the real estate, gold. Even gold is also giving more returns than FDs. Think that you have invested your money in mutual fund and you get 10% rate of interest in 1 year. So you subtracted the inflation rate with 10% and you get positive 4.5%. That means you are left with a positive cash flow. That means after 1 year you tackled the inflation and also you have generated a wealth. You have created a wealth also. So let me give a brief summary of what we discussed today. So what is the importance of investing? There are only two things. The first thing is to tackle the inflation and the second thing is to create wealth. So where to invest? You can invest in anything that give more returns than the inflation rate. If the inflation rate is 5.5%, you want to invest in any instruments that gives more the returns than the inflation rate. And also when you invest your money, you get a positive cash flow. From this positive cash flow means you are creating wealth every year. So that's all guys. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, family, share the knowledge, and Adarsh here signing off. Goodbye.